What's going on, guys? This is me Mehdi Shakil here and you are watching my YouTube channel SSTec tutorial. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make a Tor Wi-Fi router using your Raspberry Pi 3. Yes guys, you heard it right. After watching this video, you can make your own Tor Wi-Fi router using your Raspberry Pi 3. Basically, in this video I'm gonna provide you a ISO image file of Raspbian operating system which has pre-installed Tor and Wi-Fi access point. That means whenever you burn this ISO file into your Raspberry Pi SD card and put your Raspberry Pi SD card into your Raspberry Pi and power it on, it will work as like a Tor Wi-Fi router. That means whenever you connect any device with your Tor Wi-Fi router, it's gonna go through all the traffic using the Tor. So guys, without talking too much, let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe my YouTube channel SSTec tutorial and stay connected with my channel. Okay guys, to build a Tor Wi-Fi router, you need to have couple of things like Raspberry Pi 3, 3B or B+. In this video, I am using Raspberry Pi 3 model B. Also, you can use any version of Raspberry Pi which has built-in Wi-Fi chip to make a Tor Wi-Fi router. Then you need to have a SD card at least 32 GB. Because the TorPi ISO file size I provide is 30 GB. And a SD card reader or memory card adapter. That's all we need to build our Tor Wi-Fi router. Now insert your SD card into your adapter and connect your memory card with the computer. Okay, now I am in my computer. First, you need to download the TorPi image file from the given link in the description box. Follow that link and it will take you to the TorPi file in Google Drive. Download the TorPi image file from there. Now open up your SD card formatter and format your SD card. Then open up HR image flashing software. Select the TorPi image and make sure you select your SD card from here. Now click on flash and it will start flashing the TorPi image on your SD card. It will take 2 minutes to flash. Okay guys, now you can see here flashing is completed. Now close the HR software and eject the SD card from your computer. Then remove the SD card from the adapter and insert the SD card to your Raspberry Pi. Now connect the WAN cable with your Pi or the LAN cable comes from your router and power on your Raspberry Pi. Okay guys, now my TorPi Tor Wi-Fi router is ready to use. Now let's see how it works. On your device, go to Wi-Fi and you will see the TorPi Wi-Fi access point. This is the Wi-Fi AP comes from your Raspberry Pi. Now connect with that network. The default Wi-Fi password is SSTec tutorials. But also you can change the password and access point name by take a SSH connection into your Pi. Now you can see here my mobile phone is connected with my Tor router. Now let's check it, is it going through Tor Network or not. Open up your browser and go to check.torproject.org. And here guys, you can see here that we are connected with the Tor network and my IP address is changed. That means what we browse on our mobile device, now all the traffic will go through the Tor network. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you really like this video and enjoy this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and share this video with your friend. And if you are new on my channel, then please do subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest upcoming video tutorial notification. And one more thing I want to say that soon our YouTube channel are going to hit the 100k subscriber milestone. So guys, thanks to you and congratulations to you. Because without you, it can't be possible. And if you want to send me any feedback, any message, you can make a short video clips and send me in my email address. And I will make a special 100k video in my YouTube channel and I will add all of your video clips on that video. So guys, that's all for today. Thanks for your watching. I am Mehdi Shakil, you are watching SSTec tutorial and I am signing out.